Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Huawei P40 Pro Plus, for the first you have to download the recorder on this smartphone. So let's go for the app gallery, tap on the search pool and type recorder. I think that we can get maybe this application, the voice recorder. So click install. Right now tap on the open. We can also select the light or the dark mode, so maybe we can switch for the dark. And right now you have to just click on the continue, click allow 2 times. Yes, we agree. And just to start, press on this button, and right now the smartphone is recording sounds. If you want to finish, you have to use this marker. And here we got also our record, so we can save, share or just delete. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!